Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. Today we are going to discuss Dream 11 IPL match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Chennai Super Kings, which is the 29th match of IPL 2020. So guys, please like and subscribe the channel before watching. So guys, in this video we will be discussing about technical analysis, pitch statistics in IPL 2020, then top pick players for today's game. Along with this, we will be discussing about Dream 11 team for small league as well as for grand league. So guys, along with that, we will be discussing about FanFight team. So basically, FanFight is also a fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11, where we will be having variety of contests like Mega Contest, iPhone 11 Gadget Pool, head-to-head contest, Rumble contest, and contest for champion and all. So guys, we will be discussing about FanFight team also as well for small league and grand league. So guys, like every day, even yesterday also our teams have performed very well in grand leagues as well as small leagues. Please like and subscribe channel guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about technical analysis for today's game. So guys, basically this is a match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Chennai Super Kings, and the venue is going to be Dubai International Cricket Stadium, Dubai. So guys, basically this is the pitch and weather report for today's game. So basically pitch is good for batting and it is going to be a high scoring game, and pitch is bit slow and it is helpful for spinners as usual. And also guys, coming to Dubai pitch in this IPL, we may have a lot of wickets falling for pacers when compared to spinners, so we need to take pacers more in our team. And also score of 170 plus is going to be tough for chasing side. So weather is clear, no chance of rain, and temperature is about 35 degrees centigrade as usual. So guys, this is the probable playing 11 for Sunrisers Hyderabad as well as Chennai Super Kings. We have David Warner along with Johnny Bairstow as openers, followed by Manish Pandey, Kane Williamson, Vijay Shankar, Priyanka, Abhishek Sharma, Rashid Khan, Sandeep Sharma, Khalil Ahmed and Natarajan. So guys, for Chennai Super Kings side, we have Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Ambati Rayudu, MS Dhoni, Jagadishan, Sam Curran, Ravindra Jadeja, Dwayne Bravo, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar and Karan Sharma. So guys, upon seeing these very big names, we may have credit issue for today's game. We are going to build a Dream 11 team in such a way that there is no credit issue for today's game. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in T20 International. We have total of 61 matches played in particular venue, out of which batting first have won 34 games and batting second have won 26 games. And there is one tie in particular venue. So basically, the average first inning score is 145. Highest total is 211 and lowest total is 71. And also guys, we can see like highest score chased is 183 and lowest score defended is 134. So guys, this is the pitch statistics in Dubai Stadium. So guys, let's go and discuss about IPL statistics in particular stadium. So guys, we have total of 12 matches played in particular venue, out of which batting first have won 8 games and batting second have won 2 games. So guys, based on this, we may predict like the team which is going to be bat first may have more chances of winning than batting second. And also guys, there is a tie for one game. So guys, the highest total is 206 per 3 and lowest total is 109 per 10 and lowest score defended is 164 per 4. So guys, based on this, we may predict this is also going to be a high scoring game like as usual. So guys, coming to some statistics analysis for Sunrisers Hyderabad, like they are having average performance, like in 7 matches they have just won 3 matches and lost 4 matches, and they are holding 5th position in the points table guys. So guys, Sunrisers have lost their last match against RR, like we may have seen with close margin along with 5 wickets. So as coming to batting section, David Warner is key player, like he is the highest scorer for SRH, and coming to bowling section, Rashid Khan is the key player as he is the highest wicket taker for Hyderabad. So guys, for Chennai Super Kings, like it is a bit difficult season where Chennai is struggling, and we can see like Chennai is at 7th position of point table. So far Chennai is having just 2 wins guys, and Chennai has lost their last match with Royal Challengers Bengaluru. So guys, for Chennai's Faf du Plessis is leading run scorer and Sam Curran is leading wicket taker for Faf du Plessis. So guys, this is the head-to-head statistics between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Chennai Super Kings. We have total of 13 matches played between these two teams, out of which Sunrisers have won 9 games and Chennai have won only 4 games guys. And there is no tie guys between these two teams. So guys, based on this head-to-head statistics, we may predict like Sunrisers is going to be hot favorite in this game. And also guys, these are the top pick players for today's game. We have David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Kane Williamson, Rashid Khan, Faf du Plessis, Ravindra Jadeja, along with Ambati Rayudu. So guys, after seeing these big names, we may have credit issue for the today's game. We will be going to build a Dream 11 team in such a way that there is no credit issue. So guys, this is the best choice of captain and vice captain for today's game. We have David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, Shane Watson, Faf du Plessis, Rashid Khan, Manish Pandey. So guys, please choose your captain and vice captain wisely based on these options. So guys, let's go and build a Dream 11 team for today's game. So guys, let me create a team first. So guys, in the batting section we have three options, like we have Wriddhiman Saha, we have Johnny Bairstow, we have MS Dhoni, and we have Jagdish. So guys, Wriddhiman Saha is not playing even today's game also. So we have three options, like we have Johnny Bairstow, we have MS Dhoni, and we have Jagdish. So guys, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow and Jagdish as my wicket keeping options. However guys, we may also try MS Dhoni for Grand Leagues as a wicket keeper. So guys, in the batting section we have plenty of options, like we have Shane Watson, we have du Plessis, we have David Warner, and we have Manish Pandey. So guys, here I'll be going with David Warner, du Plessis, Manish Pandey, along with Shane Watson guys. So guys, these are the four options which I'm going in my batting section. We may also try Kane Williamson and Ambati Rayudu along with Priyank Garg for Grand Leagues. So guys, in the all-rounder section we have plenty of options, like we have Ravindra Jadeja, we have Dwayne Bravo, we have Sam Curran, and we have Abhishek Sharma. So I'll be going with Sam Curran guys. However, you guys may try Ravindra Jadeja and Dwayne Bravo also for Grand Leagues. So guys, and also in bowling section we have plenty of options, like we have Rashid Khan, we have Natarajan, we have Khalil Ahmed, we have Shardul Thakur, and also Deepak Chahar guys. So guys, I'll be going with the Rashid Khan along with Shardul Thakur, then Deepak Chahar, along with I'll be going with Khalil Ahmed guys. So guys, this is the best fitted team for Small League as well as Grand League. However, you guys may try, like in all-rounder section you guys may replace Sam Curran with Dwayne Bravo, and in wicket keeping section you guys may take MS Dhoni. So guys, let's go and discuss about captain and vice captain. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, we have plenty of options, like we have Johnny Bairstow as captain, we have David Warner as captain, we can go with Faf du Plessis as captain, and we have Shane Watson as captain. So guys, for today's game I'll be going with Faf du Plessis as my captain and David Warner as my vice captain guys. So guys, this is the best fitted team for Small Leagues as well as for Grand Leagues. However, you guys may choose your captain and vice captain wisely based upon your requirement, but I'll be going with these two options in captain and wicket keeping section guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about fan fight team guys. Let me create a new team. In the wicket keeping section guys, I'll be going with Johnny Bairstow along with Narayan Jagdishan guys, along with MS Dhoni guys. So guys, in the batting section I'll be going with Faf du Plessis, David Warner, along with this guys we have Manish Pandey, we have Ambati Rayudu also guys. I'll be going with Manish Pandey and Ambati Rayudu guys. So guys, in the let's go and discuss about all-rounder section. In the all-rounder section also guys, we have plenty of options, like we have Sam Curran, we have Dwayne Bravo, we have Ravindra Jadeja, we have Abhishek Sharma, who is also a nice player. So guys, we will be going with Sam Curran as our all-rounder, and also we may also try Ravindra Jadeja for the Grand Leagues guys. So guys, I'll be going with Sam Curran in the all-rounder section. And also guys, coming to bowling section, we have plenty of options, like Rashid Khan is also a nice option for captain and vice captain. We may also try Rashid Khan. So guys, we have Shardul Thakur, we have Deepak Chahar. So guys, in this team I'll be going with Khalil Ahmed, Shardul Thakur, Deepak Chahar, along with this guys Karan Sharma. So guys, for Karan Sharma we may have option, like we may remove Karan Sharma and we guys may try Narayan Jagdishan instead of Karan Sharma guys. So guys, this is the best fit team for Small Leagues as well as Grand Leagues for fan fight. So guys, let's go and discuss about captain and vice captain for today's game. So guys, for captaincy point of view, I'll be going with David Warner as my captain and Faf du Plessis as my vice captain. However, we guys may change like Faf du Plessis as captain and David Warner as vice captain. And also guys, we may have plenty of options, like we may also try Sam Curran as vice captain and du Plessis as captain. Or else we may also try like Johnny Bairstow as captain, as Johnny Bairstow is also a nice option for captain section. So guys, I'll be going with David Warner and Sam Curran as captain and vice captain for today's game. However, you guys may change it wisely depending upon the situation. So guys, let's have a team preview first. Yeah, like depending upon the task, whatever the team is batting first, you guys may go for captain and vice captain for that team, guys, since the team which is batting first have most winning chances. So guys, this is the team. So guys, thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks so much.